Good morning, everyone. Yesterday I did for the first time 2 videos on how to make lemonade and for YouTube. And I noticed that if I wanted to do the original video, which was to put the traditional lemonade and then afterwards the healthy lemonade in one video, it would be very long. So then I separated the two, but then because I had that small intro at the beginning, it also made the both videos very long, and I believe that that was not really necessary usually, but I do like the idea of adding a fun fact about the dish or about an ingredient I will be using from the recipe, be it the origin or other fun fact. So I will definitely want to keep the fun fact, but I will probably then merge the fun fact with the actual cooking or drink video and not have it beforehand. Also, the other thing I noticed when I was doing the lemonade is that in the traditional video I used a traditional lemon juice extractor, which is definitely something that most people have, but for the time and practicality of extracting lemons, the bartending extractor which I used in healthy lemonade was more practical and less time consuming. Also the other thing, so from now on, if I ever have to extract juice from lemons or limes, I'm gonna use the bartending extractor in my next videos. And also, if ever I have to extract juice from, let's say, oranges or grapefruits or even lemons and limes, but in large quantities, I will probably make that section shorter and show how to do it and tell you the amounts that you will need for the recipe. Only that I will have a set ready in advance, so a sample of what I've already measured in advance, so that we can speed up the cooking process, and you are gonna be less, let's say, annoyed about seeing my mistakes or about the video being so long. So yeah. It was my first 2 videos, so I know there's a lot of things I could improve on, and I will try to implement some changes in my next videos. And today I will be doing a video about condiments. Specifically, I'm gonna do sugar condiments, meaning that the base ingredient will be the sugar. Normally white sugar, but you can also use brown sugar, and I will be adding certain herbs or spices to make homemade condiments, which you can then use for your dishes. And I will be doing 3 of them. One is sugar and cinnamon, the other one is sugar vanilla, and the other one is mint sugar. So these, I will show you how to do it, and why it is, how you can make homemade vanilla sugar and how it can taste so much better than the commercially bought one. And also how you can reuse your vanilla pod after you've already extracted the vanilla seeds from inside.